Boy09, and today I'm going to show my top 3 favorite mechanical pencils, or you can say lead pencils. So here we go. Let's start with number 3. My number 3 favorite lead pencil is this. This is the 0.7mm lead. So I bought this from India. As you can see, I bought this from India. See, I bought this from India. Now So let's start. Now number 2. Number 2 is the funny thing, and this is this. It's Faber-Castell. The Faber-Castell is 0.5mm. It's also cool. It's a shark. You can guys see it's a shark. It's a shark. See? It's a shark. So guys, I will show you my favorite one now in a magic. Do you want to see? And go. See? I will disappear like this now also. Boom. And again. Boom. See? It's my favorite color, and it's a very comfortable to ride with this. It's 0.7mm. So now I will show my top 3 favorite lead pencils together. Boom. So these are my top 3 favorite lead pencils. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like to this video, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends, and comment down below for this video.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløp